Photonic Energetics Report for December 22, 2018 and beyond. Here we glow. For your consideration. Just a heads up, my fellow pilgrims on this ascension journey. Larger photonic wave pulses coming in. Okay. Stay hydrated with structured water and get plenty of rest. Some days I get 10 hours of sleep. Also get yourselves some adaptogenic herbs, colloidal trace minerals with nano silver, vitamin C, immune boosting mushrooms, cracked cell wall chlorella, spirulina, raw zinc, etc. Anything that boosts your immune systems, oxygenates your cells, and helps RNA reignite our dormant DNA. These cosmic rays, gamma, adamantine particles, etc., stress our endocrine and nervous systems. Tip: cut down on caffeine if you can and add magnesium malate/citrate/oxide, etc. This is a transmutational process, morphogenesis, in a much larger ascension cycle. More inspiration, information, and in-depth explanation of our biofield physiology, morphogenetic fields, health, spiritual health, and cognitive health, and what is happening on a cosmological scale and what is happening on the subatomic scale. What can we do to help our mind, body and spirit, holistic health, with better ease as we go through this round of the ascension process? These questions are answered with tools and techniques on my YouTube channel, my website, and my social media pages. Especially if you're having ascension symptoms. Please do some of your own research. Stay hydrated, my friends. We are sovereign, we are free. There is a support team out here, and more importantly inside of yourself. The Tomsk Space Observing System, data from 95 stations around the world, is about 14.5 hours from Pacific Standard Time when they put the data out. SRC December 22, 18, 11:30 p.m. PST. Blessings everyone. Hang in there,